Hi guys, good morning. Today is the day 7 of my 75 hard, and the first major thing that I do in the morning is to go to the gym. And today is Thursday. Every Thursday I work on my bicep and tricep. Tell me you guys, how's your 75 hard going on? You know what, you guys appreciating me in the comment section is the fuel of motivation for me in this 75 hard. If there's a little thought to give up on this challenge, then I remember that many of you are looking up to me, and why do I give up this challenge? I'll try my best not to give up on this and then stay motivated throughout the 75 days. Also, I'm not uploading videos every day because kind of feeling that hecticness and pressurize. And you guys know I don't like to do any work which I don't like. I'm gonna be uploading my long form videos after every 2 days, yeah, so that you guys are also not bored seeing me every day. Bolu, good morning. Yeah, just having an apple as my pre-workout because this is really effortless. Just wash the apple and have it. Good girls go to the gym. Whenever I get fed, this is the first thing that comes up. Came back from the gym and having lemon water. Hi guys, recently I got some essential products from the brand PSafe, and you guys know that PSafe is India's leading hygienic and wellness brand. Before I show you what I got this time, I've always been telling in my vlogs that I do use menstrual cup, and it is also from the brand PSafe. You know, they make such good products which are very essential in our day-to-day life. Likewise, today also I have got 3 products. Also, I'm gonna be using them for the first time. First of all, we have got this toilet seat covers. We often travel to many places, or whenever we go out, we use public toilets, and you know that you have to maintain hygienic in toilet, especially in public toilets. To use PSafe's toilet seat cover, simply unfold the cover and place it over the toilet seat. Press it down to ensure a secure fit, providing a hygienic barrier between you and the seat. This is another very important thing and very unique. Never knew things like this also exist. Now you don't have to squat and pee. Every time we feel like boys are so lucky, they just have to stand up and pee, you know. But now girls can also stand and pee. Let me show you how to use this one. Just hold the urinary device under your crotch, tilt it forward using by placing your thumb on the designated area, and let the worries go. Thank you PSafe for creating such products and making our life easier. Lastly, I've got this toilet seat sanitizer. All you have got to spray it from a distance of 25 cm and wait it for 10 seconds for the spray to work on its charm and evaporate. So this combo will help us fight against the UTI and toilet-borne diseases. Once again, I'm so thankful to PSafe for creating such products. These are very basic hygienic stuff that we all must have, and I'm gonna carry it with myself from now to wherever I go. If you guys also want this product, then I'll leave the link in the description below for you guys to check and get some of these basic hygienic products. Thank you. This is something that my friend sent me from Arunachal Pradesh. Thank you, Matt, for sending me yamter. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for showing the concern, you know. मेरा ये आदत नहीं है कोई हमको केयर करने वाला. Boy, boy, it's not for you. अरे पूरा स्क्रीन को ले ले रहा. No, get down, get down. It is not for you. Snowball, it is not for you. Oh my God. This is bamboo shoot का अचार. Bamboo shoot. Oh, my weakness. Bull, get down. This is bamboo shoot pickle and it's my weakness. But I won't let it be my weakness this time because I'm on diet, you know. Just because I have bamboo shoot doesn't mean that I'm gonna overeat. Wow, thank you so much. Power ke bottle pe. Thank you so much. This is dry chili flakes. Thank you so much. Hey, thank you for adding some natural masalas into my life. Thank you so much, Matt. Thank you for sending me this. I like it. Hi guys. So we are going for the Jamastami. There's a place here where I used to go for meditation, organized by the Brahma Kumaris. I'm going there for the Jamastami, and there is my friend. I see his very big Krishna Bhakti.
I was, now I'm still. My beautiful outfit.
The kurta she is wearing.
Early.
Yeah. This is actually Pearly, my dog's, you know, like twinning t-shirt. Pearly also have the same one.
But I wanted to look more like, you know, the Indian Desi Radha or Gopi kind of thing. But no, we don't have, so had to adjust with whatever we have.
Cool.
आराम करेंगे श्री कृष्ण को आराम करने की भी जरूरत नहीं आएंगे जो आप आज विजुअलाइज करेंगे वो इस संसार के निर्माण में भी मदद करेगा। चलिए आप शांत बैठेंगे, मैं कमेंट्री करूंगी।
I'm super hungry now. We came to Bikanerwala. Happy Janmashtami. Hi guys, good morning. Today is Friday and not day ho gaya, wo bhi bhul gaya. But day 7 I think. Yeah, day 7 of our 75 hours. And I'm going to the gym right now. It is 8 AM already. And that's my friend. She's here to accompany me, and today is my leg day in the gym. Here is my 500 gram paneer, 500 gram. So I'm going to Safdarjung. I was craving for Northeastern food, you know. Actually, I'm going there so that I can buy some green leafy vegetables and also some more items which I don't find in my area. Oh, my eyes are swollen because I just woke up. This is for the first time that I'm going to Safdarjung and not having laughing. Oh my god, congratulations. This is called self-discipline. Oh my god, I did wrong exit. भैया NCC गेट चलोगे?
NCC गेट
कितना?
80 रुपीस।
ज़्यादा नहीं हो गया?
मैडम 70 ले कम आपको।
तो 70 ले लो। I used to pay 40 rupees. I'll take this. How much for this?
100।
Bamboo shoot? This is a bamboo shoot. हमको ये बहुत पसंद है।
क्या ग्रीन जो तीता है ना?
ओह, वो नहीं, ये तो मिल जाएगा, छोड़ दो इसको। I'll take this. Oh, this is the organic garlic. Hi guys, you know that I got some veggies from Safdarjung and today I'm gonna be having this. I don't know its English name or Hindi name. Yeah, we call it papu ato. This is bitter in taste. Not many people like it, but I'm among the 10% who like the taste of this bitter leaves. My mother and me are a big fan of this leaf. I'm gonna be cooking it with tomato. That's it, very simple. I'm so excited for this one. I'm gonna be having it after many months. Also, I'm gonna be making akhuni. You know, this is the most famous northeastern cuisine. Akhuni. This is the fermented soya bean. Got this for 50 rupees. This is the shape. Woo. I don't think you'll find this plant in Delhi. Exclusively quinoa is just kidding. Enough. Ta-da! Here is my lunch plate. Very special at least for me. This is a green leafy vegetable. Here is akuni, which is fermented soya bean, and this is bamboo shoot pickle with king chili. Here I have soup. I know it seems tasteless, but then this is what I like. Something that I love.